Hey guys, this is John from Vapor Hunting Technologies. If you watched last video, we restored an engine case and it looked phenomenal. So today we're going to do the same thing with this side cover. Let's get started. We're first going to do the Hydroblast Max, the 4000 PSI parts washer, to clean off all the grease and the grime and the oil. Then we're going to hop into the Weekend Warrior with the glass bead, give it a nice polish. And obviously we still got internal stuff, bearings. Right now you can freely move them, but after the wet blasting process, abrasive is going to hit all through these bearings that will cease their movement. So after that, we're going to go back into the Hydroblast and we'll clean them right up. So let's get started. Sweet, nice and clean, no grease. Yeah, you can definitely tell there's no grease or oil on this part. Still some dirt, but we could definitely fix that up in the Weekend Warrior. We could definitely polish that up. So let's go on ahead to that one. One thing I forgot to mention last video is that the Weekend Warrior, it is one of our hobbyist cabinets. Now I'm pretty sure you guys are interested in motorcycle rebuilds, restoration. So this machine would be perfect in your shop or your garage. And one thing to note is that this one and many of our other vapor hunting cabinets, there's a trade-up option. So if you start up with the Weekend Warrior and in 6 months, maybe 1 year, 2 years, and you feel like you want to, move up to one of our other cabinets like the 800 fully loaded, the 1000, you could definitely trade this up and get that machine. So I'm gonna put this in. We're gonna use glass bead to clean and polish this up. So let's do that. Brilliant. It looks fantastic. Nice polish. Looks beautiful. All right. So now let's go back to the Hydroblast and let's get rid of all that abrasive out of these bearings. And there you have it. Got the bearings working fine. Let's dry this off. All right, guys, and we're back again. I don't know what else to say. This looks fantastic, with the Hydroblast Max, the glass bead, and again, running it through again with the Hydroblast, it looks fantastic. Getting that nice polish and clean finish. Like I said, if you are interested in motorcycle restoration or motorcycle rebuilds and you have your own garage, getting a Weekend Warrior with the glass bead or aluminum oxide, whichever abrasive you prefer, this will go great with your hobby, with your garage, if you do that sort of stuff. The one thing about vapor hunting is that it does not harm the surface, does not damage your parts. It keeps everything intact. If you look over here, you have the little serial number. It did not harm. You can still read it. So that's because the water is cushioning the abrasive and it's cleaning by flow, which in dry blasting, it's by force. So with the water, it cushions the abrasive and you get this nice, then you still keep the integrity of the part and the serial numbers. So one other thing, again, I'm not a motorcycle guy or a dirt bike guy. If you guys know, we have all these parts, I don't know where they came from. If you guys know what type of motorcycle or dirt bike all these parts go into, leave them in the comments. We will love to know what that is. Well, that's it for today. If you guys have any more questions, you can call our sales team at 828-202-5563. We also have a website which has plenty of content, plenty of blogs that you want to read. We also have a Facebook, Instagram, and a YouTube channel. I'm John, and we'll see you next time.